Oh la la. Okay. This is the AON Glide Max edition. And so what I'm gonna do is unbox it really fast, under 30 seconds, and then we're out the door. I'm gonna do a full review. Probably be about a week or so of me testing it before I do the full review, but for you, it's gonna happen like that. A user manual, charging brick. Wow, that's it. Came with a really cool scooter case, phone holder. I'm gonna mount that on. Came with NFC tags, so when you park it, you can actually lock it, which is really kind of handy. I really like that. Integrated bell. Anyway, full review coming up now. So the first thing I noticed while bringing this out for a spin today with Michael, St. Michael behind the camera, thank you, Michael, is the weight. It's 32 pounds. 32 pounds. You can almost, I mean, that's crazy light for a scooter. 48 volts with a 13.5 amp hour battery in it. So that's quite a bit of battery for a little scooter as well. And then it's got a 600 watt motor at the back, which actually peaks out at 900 watts. So it's giving you a little bit of extra oomph. Now, it's only rated for somebody who's about 250 pounds at the max but yours truly is not 250 pounds, sadly. I'm about 265, 269 maybe. I'm having passed tonight, maybe 272. Anywho, and it's having no problems with me getting me around town. So, I mean, it's gonna affect, of course, how far I can go, but as I'm riding around, I'm not having any issues whatsoever. There are a whole bunch of things that I like, one or two minor things that I'm not really fond of. What I'm gonna do now is Michael and I are gonna ride around Victoria, exploring the beautiful oceanscapes, and we're gonna share with you and stop a couple of times and just share with you what I like and what I don't like about the AON Glide, and this is the Max edition. So right off the bat, one of the things I'm absolutely loving about this is the wide handlebars. A lot of scooters, especially small light ones, don't have, usually your hands are about here. This is lovely, and it's folding handlebars, which, let me just show you how simple it is to fold. The little kick here, he says, yep, there we go. Drop it, it's now locked in place, ready to go. 32 pounds, super easy. Love that. So I want to share with you a few things about the actual cockpit here. Right on the handlebars, we've got 3 different levels, 1, 2, 3, pretty simple, which is, you know, that's really, really nice. It's got a nice thumb throttle, which gives me plenty of power. I typically ride around on max speed. It does have an NFC tag, so if you don't have it with you, if you want to lock it up, I guess that's an extra layer of protection. It has a cute little button back here for cruise control. So if you're just cruising along and you just want to keep it there, I just think that's awesome. Integrated bell, and it's got a brake here, which is going to brake the front brake. It's got one drum brake, and it's also got electronic braking, which is kind of like, I think it means it's regen braking. I'm not 100% sure in that, but the motor itself is slowing me down. And I know that because I can hear the motor engage when I hit the brake, which is really, really nice. By far and away, I'm going to share with you what I really, really love about this in the next location. But before I do that, I did want to share one thing that I really like about the AON Glide, and that is it has a sine wave controller. Now, if you don't know what that means, there are basically 2 types of controllers. This is what, when you press the gas, this is what gives you the beans, and it's either going to give you a really smooth acceleration, which is what you get with a sine wave controller, or a square wave controller. It basically drops all the power into the motor and you take off. I don't like that. I find that too jerky. This is lovely. It's really nice and smooth. Anyway, in this next location, I'm going to find a spot to show you this. I just think this is like knocking out of the park for a budget scooter like this, and such a lightweight scooter. They put this on this scooter is amazing. I'm going to show you that next. So what's the one thing about this that I absolutely think is amazing for the value? It has 2 lights. It has the light across the bottom, which should be on now. Give me 1 sec. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Little light there. And it's got this strip light along here. And at nighttime, you're kind of riding around with this sort of beautiful light. I just think it's amazing. And I really wish other electric scooters had this feature. The only one I can think of are the Apollo Phantom, the new one. Oh, and the Apollo Go. again, I just love these types of lighting. It just makes me feel a little bit more safe. It makes me feel like other people can see me as I'm coming up to, traffic lights, riding around in general. So I'm a big fan of these things. So brass tacks, what do I like and what don't I like about the AON Glide Max? Well, let's start with what I don't like. Two minor things. Number one, I just think that maybe the cable is a little bit messy. That's a minor thing. And then the second thing, and this is really just because I'm a big heavy guy, and in fact I'm overweight for the scooter, that is, it isn't very good on the hills. Like, it's getting me up the hills, even with the 900 watt peak, it's still getting up the hills, but I'm definitely slowing down. Other than that, I love this little thing. It's a great little scooter. It's really nice and quick and easy to ride around. It's got a pretty decent top speed. I'm getting about 35 kilometers an hour as a top speed, which I know it's advertised at 42, but again, I'm a big guy. I've just had a lovely ice cream here with Michael here, right around the houseboats. And you know what? It's just so easy to navigate in and amongst the people. The fact that you can just fold up the handlebars and fold it up and carry it around, 32 pounds, that's super nice. The NFC tag, I could, maybe for you it's good. I don't think it needs an NFC tag, but I do like the cruise control option, and the braking is lovely. Just overall, it's got, the foam filled tires means I'm not going to get any flat tires, so it's just one less thing to worry about. As I said, the brakes work great. The mechanical plus, coupled with the actual motor brake, that works out really well. The material on the actual deck is really comfortable, and it's sticky, which is nice. So, overall, I just think this is an absolute blast, and for that, I am very grateful for AON to send it to me. If you are interested in, I love these water taxis, they're so cute. If you are interested in purchasing one of these, I'll put a link down below. And what they actually have, they sent, how do I say this? If you purchase from the link down below and you put my little coupon code in there, they're gonna give you a little pouch. And you know what, hold on a sec. They'll give you one of these and a cell phone holder, which, these things are great. They zip up. Anyway, long story short, you get one of these and you get a cell phone holder if you happen to want to buy one and happen to use my discount code. Honestly, I'm going to give this 2 big thumbs up because I think this absolutely would fit a niche. If you're a bigger guy like myself, and if you happen to be just 250 pounds or a little bit less than that, I think this would be great. Super easy. You can ride around the city. You can pick it up and carry it. If you're getting into a car, you put it in the trunk of the car, carry it up some stairs, no problems whatsoever. Really, where in the world can you go? Oops, we'll do it properly. And just 32 pounds for a scooter that will get you around 30, 40 kilometers an hour. I think that's pretty awesome. So anyways, thanks for watching. If you have any comments, have any questions, put them down in the comments down below. Big guy approved.